Touch my toes, boy.
Don't you fucking play footsie with me, goddammit.
Go ahead with your bad sound.
I can't go when you sniffle it and I could say.
It's gonna make me sneeze, I know. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, well, yeah. Hold on a second, dude. Just this nose. Okay. I'm good. I'm good.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to CNR Reviews. Coltrane here.
E-Rock.
Oh, we got
Hi.
And today we have another Alpha Outpost box.
Yeah, that's what it is.
No shit.
It's a mystery box.
It's a mystery. We don't know what's in it yet.
We don't know what's in it.
So this is going to be an unboxing.
Exactly.
Instead of a review yet.
Yeah. So our my son, his brother, Chris, gets these every month, and we did a box opening a couple weeks ago, I guess it was.
Yeah, it was about three weeks to a month ago. Yeah.
Check out that video. It's actually the first box that he got, which I have right here. And I have it here because we're actually gonna use, these are knives in here. I'm gonna show you here in a second. And you can go watch that video if you want as well. But we're gonna use one of these to cut this thing open, okay, instead of a box cutter. So.
Yep.
All right, buddy, you ready?
Yo.
And we can't wait. We just got this in yesterday. Chris got it in yesterday, and we can't wait to see what's in it, because this one had some badass knives in it. It had two of these little raptor-looking knives. In fact, it's called Raptor.
Talons.
Yeah, use that to open it. And then it had this giant cleaver that has a Raptor PVC patch on it that's Velcro. You can peel it off. Let me show you this knife. This cleaver. This thing's huge. And it's heavy as hell, okay? And it's super sharp.
And it's full tang, okay?
You don't know what that means? This whole thing is all one piece. It's forged together.
Full tang. Just like when you eat an orange and you drink something that's real tangy.
Tang.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and cut this thing open.
Let's get it, boy.
Oh yeah. Slice right through the tape.
Ooh.
Okay.
First thing we got is a card in it. That's what this one had as well. And this is this tells everything that's in it, and some instructions on how to use whatever's in it.
Oh wow.
Okay, so first aid kit, cool. Outdoor, and it tells some like first aid stuff in here. So this must be a whole first aid kit, is what it looks like.
Looks like it.
Okay.
Looks like it.
So Alpha Outpost is, if you didn't watch the first video, we explained what it is, but it's all outdoor survival gear. Okay, so it's just like survival stuff.
Yep.
Pretty much. Okay, so let's see. We got a little ace bandage right here.
Ooh.
Everything's wrapped in plastic, it looks like. What is that, bro?
Bro, what is that?
What is it? It's your head wrap, okay?
No, it's not.
Put it around your head, and I'll put this on.
That is not what it's for.
And then you can bang your head against the wall and it won't hurt.
I guarantee you this is, well, it's definitely some sort of pad, okay? First of all.
We're going to look it up.
But
check these out, bro.
I bet you it's to wrap like an ankle or something.
Right.
For extra padding.
Or your head.
Your head.
Bang it. Now look at this.
Just to put it on something so you don't bang your shit up.
This is cool. These are Velcro patches. They're cloth, but they're blood types.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, so all the different blood types. And no penicillin. So if you're allergic, some people are allergic to penicillin. They can't get shot with that, whatever, get a shot of it. They'll die. So there's cool. One of those, so you could put a patch on yourself somewhere with your blood type.
You got a whole bunch of bandages, different types of bandages here.
Here we go. This is a cold pack. So this is one of those insta colds.
Yep.
You break the shit inside here, which I'm not going to do.
Chemical reactions.
Yes, makes it nice and cold. You can put it on the back of your neck, when you're drinking, you get hot flashes from the alcohol, okay?
Probably not. Okay. This is like a gauze tape.
Yeah, we'll show the
real
whole
sticky.
Thing.
Real sticky like.
There you go. There's your view of that, and then we're going to turn toward us so we can see what the fuck.
A little roll of that.
Okay. little medical tape.
Yep.
Gauze pads.
Alcohol pads. 70% isopropyl alcohol.
Isopropyl.
The hell is this?
We'll go over that last.
SWAT T stretch wrap and tuck tourniquet.
Ooh, a tourniquet, nice.
That's awesome. Okay.
Now these are little.
Works.
Fuck, this is. These are little cloth pads. Hold on, I burped everywhere. I like pizza, bro.
That's all right.
These are like cloth pads for like, I guess for non-stick is what it looks like. We'll see. We're gonna look at the card here in a second.
We'll see. Okay. Got some triple antibiotic ointment. There's a couple of those in there.
We got some medical scissors, right, for cutting off clothing. So it's got that flat edge right there. I don't know if you guys have ever. I'm sure some of you guys have seen those like medical shows and stuff. And so it's serrated, so it's very sharp, the bottom blade, to cut your pants or your shirt off in an emergency, okay?
Yep.
So, and then it's got the flat piece there so it doesn't poke you and give you another injury.
Exactly.
And they're trying to go like this.
And then
it's nice and smooth.
Hey, what if that ripped my shirt right now? I'd be mad.
I know you would. And it's got a little...
little clip to hang it on your bag.
Yeah.
Then it came with some ibuprofen as well.
Hang it right there.
What?
Hanging all kind of places.
Ibuprofen. Okay.
Yeah. For after
These
drinking.
are exam gloves, but they're latex free.
Ah.
Just in case someone's allergic to latex.
Hell yeah.
What else we got in here? This is sting and bite pad.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And then we got some tweezers. Plastic tweezers.
Those are called forceps.
I don't think so. I'm gonna look at the paper and see. I think I'm right. I don't think you're right.
Because we used to use those in science, bro. Forceps.
Science has different names for all their shit, bro.
Exactly.
They say a glass bottle that looks like a liquor bottle is a goddamn beaker. What the fuck is a beaker? Science got some weird names for their tools, okay?
Bandage triangulaire. You know what that is. Oh, it's like a sling. It looks like a sling.
Yes. It's a sling.
It's like
you didn't even look at the picture, bro.
Then it actually comes with an entire carry bag to
nice.
put everything in.
It's got a nice strap.
Molly webbing on the back.
Molly, yep. It already got patches on it for the American flag patch and the... Those are nice.
Yeah.
I'm definitely curious about exactly what this is for. And we're going to see. Okay.
I got a whole bunch of pockets and everything in there.
All right, it says EMT pouch. That's that.
Yep.
Okay. Arm bandage sling, which you just
showed.
Yes. Moleskin, which I think is this.
That's got
shears.
Yep. They're hanging right here.
They're hanging. Alcohol pad. You can take it off. Which we looked at. Tourniquet, which we saw. Okay. Blood type patch, which I showed you that in the beginning. We got medical tape. We got tweezers. I told you, motherfucker.
Gay. Forceps. I'm just kidding.
You know,
I like tweezers better.
Tweezers. We got cold pack, which I showed you.
Yep.
Nitro gloves. Nitrile. Nitrile. Whatever it is non-latex.
Nitrite.
Okay. Ibuprofen. Sting relief. Saw that too. Yep. Knuckle bandage. Oh, okay. That must be over there.
No, I didn't get no damn knuckle bandage.
Look at your fucking band-aids, bro.
Oh yeah, I did.
Duh. All right.
How you supposed to know?
What do you mean? Because it's how it's shaped.
Ha!
Yeah, these. It goes like not this knuckle, dummy.
Oh.
Well, you could do it on that one too.
Gotcha. Okay.
Let's use one. I'm gonna.
Don't use that.
Yeah, because I'm gonna show y'all. I already got a bunch of them. I'm gonna show y'all how to. Yes, I do. I got boxes. I already got boxes. I got first aid kits throughout the house. Okay.
I got 7 of them.
So
7 first aid kits.
You probably do. So you can see how it's shaped. And what you do is, this is like one of the most common cuts or scrapes or whatever are on your knuckles because you use your hands. It's like the most thing used and exposed. Right? Most people don't wear gloves when they're just walk around the house, So you bang your knuckles on something or your end of your fingers, those are the kind of things that happen typically.
Yeah.
So
very true.
You have a, scrape, cut, whatever, something, messed up, you got to cover up with the thing. You put the bandage on your knuckle part, you put that over there. And then it really just like that. And what it does, I wrinkled it, but what it does, it doesn't pull off when you bend
finger.
because of how it's cut.
Ooh.
All right, and then so we got the triple antibiotic. It should be these right there, those little salve things.
Yeah.
Gauze pads. On the back here has all of your instructional items there. Instructions. So
sprain preventions.
Yeah,
you got it.
Yeah.
Bug bite preventions. You got it. Cuts. You got it.
Now look, it says right here, bug bites is very difficult to prevent.
Well, no shit.
It's got all kind of instructions on here for how do I treat if you get a blister, right? You may want to act quickly to prevent unnecessary discomfort. Okay, rip that skin off. No, I'm just kidding.
Jesus,
that hurts.
Cut it off with the shears.
Yeah, right. I got to see what this thing is.
I told you.
It's
for a sprain.
I think it is, dude. I think you're right. It's just a foam roll.
Yeah.
Just put it on your head or something.
Why are you obsessed with putting it on your head?
People are in shock. You put a...
that ain't even big enough.
You roll it up like a pillow. Check it out, bro. Feel that.
Jesus.
Bend it.
The hell?
That's what I'm talking about. I expected it to just, snap back to its form. It's pliable. That is cool as fuck. Okay. It is definitely for your head.
No, it ain't. No, what? It's not for your head.
It's a neck wrap.
It might be a neck brace.
Oh, goddamn, no. It was way too...
You sure?
Let's see. My neck's too fat is what it is.
You're not supposed to be able to move your neck with a neck brace on, so it might do his job.
It's like, I hurt my wrist. Hold on a second. Don't ask me what I was doing, okay? Just extracurricular stuff.
You turned yourself into Wonder Woman. Now you're Kit Man.
I could cut one in half and give you one, and we could be matching buddies.
All right.
We could be the Wonder Woman twins. The Wonder Twins. Activate. Well, when he's looking that up, I'm going to show you how to put these on. So this thing has Velcro up here, obviously. So you can take one of these off and put your little blood type patch on here. Okay? Like such. That way, if you're carrying this around, you're down for the count, I guess. Somebody can know your blood type. And they just hook you up and start, transferring blood to you. So it's got a strap on top for extra safety closure. All right. This thing is definitely well made. It is heavy duty. 2 zippers on here, which are also heavy duty. I have the long straps on so you can pull it open real easily like. It's got a little mesh zipper bag in it. And then it's got a bunch of like pockets and stuff in here.
Molly webs.
Yeah, see, they've got a big pocket here. And then you got the molly web stuff in there, and then you got another big pocket up here. It looks like this, this Velcro's. That's pretty good. Me likey.
It's a bowl.
So we're gonna see if we can fit all this stuff in here. This thing's great, bro. Look, it's not even tight. Fit everything. Everything in there.
Good, man.
And then that strap goes around your head.
Running around with it attached to your fucking head.
I know, right? We got a little secure strap up there.
To secure the zipples. And then you
Got
can strap
these
it to
two.
your backpack or
all kind of shit, bro.
you can
It
strap
also
it to
has these
the
snaps
molly
back here.
straps, man. Listen,
Dude, that's
man.
awesome.
You can strap that to your gear.
Yeah,
Okay, like
big
on the
time.
field or something.
Or just
Actually,
sling it over
I
your
might
arm.
do that because mine has molly straps on it too. I'm gonna strap it to my gear. That way, if somebody gets hurt on the field, I can save them.
If y'all know what that orange pliable rolly thing is or whatever, let us know in the comments because I'm very curious about it.
Yeah, we don't know shit about it.
But overall, I think it's a pretty good box. I like all the stuff in it, and it's going to go great with our knives because then we can cut ourselves while we're working on something, and then we'll have something to fix ourselves.
Exactly. All right, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button,
Bling.
and hit that notification bell for all our future
Ding.
videos. And we'll see you next time.
Hell yeah.
Colton Rock out.
Oh shit, all technical. Military style. I'm very curious about this shit, bro. I
I wonder if it blocks bullets.
that orange and blue thing probably does. Shit. That's crazy, man.
It's so pliable that it's gonna block bullets.